In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Temu and save your favorite products directly from the platform to your wish list. This simple yet effective way to keep track of what catches your eye is not only invaluable for shopping enthusiasts, but also perfect for those who like to plan ahead before making a purchase. So let's dive right in. First up, we'll be visiting Temu. If you're not yet familiar with it, Temu is a vibrant online marketplace where you can find a vast array of products, from everyday essentials to unique items you never knew you needed. It's a treasure trove for anyone who loves exploring diverse product offerings. So let's get started by heading over to their website. Once you're there, take a moment to appreciate the layout because understanding where everything is can be quite handy. Now onto the fun part, browsing for products. You can click through various categories or use the search bar if you already have something specific in mind. Let's say something catches your eye and you want to explore it further. Go ahead and give it a click. This will take you to the product's detailed page where you can find all sorts of useful information. Here, you can read about the specs, check out customer reviews, and maybe even see a few pictures from different angles. This deep dive helps to ensure that you're making an informed decision about the product you're interested in. As you're scrolling through these details, you might decide that you want to revisit this product later. This is where the heart icon comes into play. You'll often find this little icon somewhere near the product description or in the top corner of an item image. It's there to help you mark items you love. Clicking on the heart saves this product to your personalized wish list, a feature that's tremendously helpful if you're narrowing down choices or just like keeping a record of potential purchases. And there you have it. You are now part of a world where you can track items you love and potentially make well thought out shopping decisions. This method is quick, intuitive, and can make your online shopping experience much more organized and enjoyable. With just a few simple steps, you've learned how to easily navigate and utilize Temu's user-friendly tools to your advantage. Now, whether you're getting a head start on holiday shopping, compiling a wish list for yourself or others, or simply curating a list of items that inspire you, you now have the skills to do so efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.